Hi guys, I'm Chloe from the Galactic Soul, but some may know me as Chloe Sheds Light, where I talk about consciousness, I talk about the metaphysical world, and how it all is correlated to where we are right now on ascension path. So if that rings any bells for you, definitely stick around. Today we're really going to dive deep into what I do in my one-on-one sessions. That way you can grasp the idea of why having someone to talk to about this is so important on your healing path. I know that a lot of people have been coming to me asking me, why is this different than therapy? Why is this different than any other modality out there? And I'm going to answer that in this video alone. So first off, I do energy readings, which basically shows us, me and you, because this is a one-on-one session, me and you go over where your energy is laying right now, where you are on the emotional vibrational scale. I'm pointing to the poster on my wall. Now, after we figure out where you currently are energy-wise, then we go into emotion code. And if you haven't heard of emotion code, it's absolutely fantastic. Fantastic. And this is how I live my life day to day. And I go through the step-by-step process on how we can let go of those low vibrational energies within your energetic body. That way we bring awareness and acknowledgement to those specific lower vibrational emotions, lower vibrational energies within your energetic body. That way we are able to remove them, or at least work towards removing them. Now, I do this within our one-on-one with a lot of tools, okay? I use tarot, I use oracle decks, I use pendulums, and I combine this with the emotion code energy healing set in order to really help people transform their lives going after they leave our one-on-one session. Overall, your body, it isn't just a physical structure. Your body is an energy field. And if you're listening to this, I'm sure you've seen reels, shorts, a bunch of different videos about how your body is an energy field. Now, if we looked at your hand under a microscope, you will see anything but a solid construct. You are made of multiple minuscule molecules, and none of it is solid. If you go down to the atom, all you will see is a blank space of energy floating around and wisping away, going every single direction in order to make up those molecules, cells, and so on. That means every single thought, every single feeling, and every single experience that you have ever had creates a vibration within your physical system. And intense emotions like grief, anger, fear, sadness, they each have their own energetic frequency, just as love and enlightenment does as well. And when we experience these emotions fully, the energy flows and passes right through our physical bodies. However, if the emotion is very, very intense or traumatic, this usually means that our physical bodies cannot process it fully. And that emotional energy can get stuck within your body. And that stuck energy is usually called a trapped emotion. So let's go into what trapped emotions are. So a trapped emotion is like a little ball of emotional energy that didn't get to leave your system because it didn't flow through your entire body. This happens a lot during traumatic events because you are in fight or flight usually during those times, and your body literally cannot process it as it is happening. And these trapped emotions can get lodged in your body, which then affects how you feel, how you think, or even how your body functions day in and day out. And many people don't realize this, but these unresolved emotional energies can actually distort your entire energy field. And this can contribute to a lot of discomfort and resistance in life. Or it can even show as repeated patterns, and these can really hold you back. Now, I want to just preface this saying that these emotions aren't bad. It's part of being human. It's part of the human experience. It's part of the 3D world that we live in. But these emotions do influence how you relate to yourself and the life that you are currently building. They can impact your relationships, your confidence, your health, and even just your overall sense of abundance. But before we even get started with the trapped emotions, I really start by listening to your energy field. And that is where the tarot, the oracle, and the pendulum comes into play during our one-on-one session. So tools like tarot and oracle cards really give an insight into your subconscious patterns that you are currently living through at the current moment. Remember, we are getting down to the nitty-gritty of your current energy, and then we are moving forward past that. But these patterns and these themes that are in your current life, these are areas within your life where you feel stuck or conflicted or overwhelmed. And these tools, so tarot, oracle, pendulum, specifically pendulum, when this is used with intention, you can ask yes or no questions to your subconscious mind. And these tools help us meet your current energy with love, compassion, curiosity. They're not just mystical props, but they're bridges into the deeper story beneath your experiences. So once we do that, we really welcome emotion code. And this is a method that is designed to locate and pinpoint those trapped emotions in order for them to be released, because we want to release them in order to ascend, in order to heal, in order to not feel like you yourself are a burden, because I know that that is where you're feeling right now. And those buried, trapped emotions are really what is covering over and protecting your inner child. That is the ego. That is the ego. But those ego emotions, that isn't your identity. That is something that is comforting or something that is helping keep your inner child safe. And remember, your inner child is your true, authentic self. So everything that is keeping it safe is all of those programmed ideas. And that is what we're breaking apart and really working through in order to get to that true, authentic self, who you truly are. And yes, that could be scary because that is a change that you need to embark. But we're going to go through emotion code right now at the basics of levels and really to make sure that you are fully aware what you're walking into in a one-on-one session with me. So emotion code. So the first thing is that it connects with the subconscious mind. So your subconscious knows everything about you. It knows the faces of the people that you walked past in the grocery store. It picks up on energies. It picks up on a lot of different things. And your subconscious knows what emotions are stuck. It knows when it began and how it's still influencing you and your physical body. 2, it allows us to ask questions. Is there a trapped emotion contributing to this issue, to this feeling? And your energetic being is going to say yes or no. And this, number 3, identifies the emotion that is trapped. So we use a chart of common emotions that really helps us pinpoint which emotion that is trapped. And that really narrows it down to exactly which emotion is stuck. And 4, we are going to release it energetically. So once this trapped emotion is identified, we gently release it out of your energy field. Now, in traditional emotion code work, this could be done with a couple of swipes over your head, which is what you will be doing on our one-on-one. And it's really going to allow and put into practice intention. But of course, I will guide you through this release because it is kind of hard to do it yourself. You need someone to lean on in order to really help you take that step into really taking that out of your energetic body. Now, overall, this release doesn't really require you reliving the past. We don't have to talk through the memories. We don't have to talk through the trauma. This is not a therapy session. Obviously, if you are open and you want to share this information with me, it will obviously be just between you and me. But overall, we want to clear the energy from your system so it can relax. And this relaxation is going to help your body and your system to reorganize. And as it reorganizes, it actually helps to form a healthier pattern within your system. And this isn't just energetic, this is also physical. Now that I spoke you through what our one-on-one session is, I want to go into what people experience after the release. So after the release, a lot of people feel a bit lighter. And this is emotionally, mentally, physically, as if something has shifted. And I don't want to say that too bluntly or too lightly either, because it really depends on the person and where they are on their journey and what is ready to be released. Because not all deep emotions are ready to be released at the first time that this is opened to your awareness. So most bodies can only release a certain amount of emotions at once. So we really work at what is coming to the forefront, and we want to support change without the overwhelm. So typically several emotions will come up with the first session, but also if you're, depending on where you are on your journey, obviously, if you feel called to do a second session, that is honestly okay too. It really depends on you and who you are, what you've been through, and what has been coming down your ancestral line. But your emotional baggage isn't just a core memory. It is living energy that really shapes how you show up in your day-to-day life. And if you had true trauma, you completely understand what I just stated. And when you release it, you free up space for clarity, for connection, for self-love, and yes, even abundance as well. Because if you get rid of the low vibrations, you can open up those spots and fill them with that love, with that acceptance, with that enlightenment. And it is truly a beautiful, beautiful thing. Now, if you are interested in one-on-one sessions with me, I would love for you to contact me either in the comments below, or you can click the first link in the description and that would automatically bring you over to that page. Or you're already chilling on the page in order to make an inquiry or a request for an appointment, which I would love to meet you one-on-one. So thank you so much for watching and to being curious into what I do on a day-to-day. It really is going to be an amazing experience, not only for you, but for me as well. I love serving others and I would love to support your journey. Again, this is Chloe with the Galactic Soul, also known as Chloe Sheds Light. If you have any questions, definitely put them in the comments below or sign up for an appointment and I will be able to get back to you with any questions you may have. But thank you so much for showing up today, and I'm sending you so much love and light. Stay stellar.